You saw the title right. I've been catfishing since 2015. Maybe way back, but. So, I'm wearing a turtleneck. Kind of dusty like me, but whatever. So, the makeup I've got, it's everything in here. Now that I got everything out, just put this. Eyeshadow palette that I'll be using is I don't want foundation. I think I said that before. I'm just gonna lotion is my foundation. Okay, so you know, I'm not a professional, the amateur way. I got my tape. Okay, first thing I'm gonna start with I don't do my eyebrows. I don't think I ever done my eyebrows except like maybe once, and that was like in 8th grade. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, guys. Okay, so I don't have anything. Like I said, I don't do my eyebrows, so why would I buy products for it? But my mom and my sister wears makeup, so they, of course, they have it. Ew, guys, this is ugly. I'm just gonna do the other eyebrow and forget about it. Ew. Okay, let's just forget about the eyebrows and just... So I'll do orange and yellow. Maybe some red. I'm gonna use sunlight. Okay, I got both eyes done. For now, it looks like someone pissed on my eyes, but I guarantee by the end of this video, I'm a catfish queen. Now, I'm gonna go in with high key. Next, I'm gonna get a little bit of foundation. Now, I'm gonna do eyeliner. So, this is how it came out. I'll be back. Next, my lips. Actually, I want to try on blush. I've never done that. I'm gonna do like an orange blush. Next, I'll do, I think, I don't have orange, but I got this peach, I guess. I'm gonna use foundation. What I meant to say, I'm gonna use eyeshadow. Now let's put some gloss. I don't want to ruin this. I'm gonna darken my moles. You guys ready? Oh no. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Catfishing 101. If I have a cuter one, I wouldn't put that one, but I only got this. So what do you guys think? Okay guys, that's the look of catfishing, but I think I'm just low-key. So I'm just gonna use airbrush.